Welcome to TSL Total Life Wellness Ecamm Live Basics. Thank you for joining today. It all starts with a blank screen. Now that you know a little bit about the blank screen and how to get there, let's do a quick review. Source, blank screen. I wanted to make sure that I was actually in the demo mode so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Source, blank screen. Gives you a blank screen. Now, going back to what we went over before, we went over here to new screen. We created a new scene, and that brings us to the blank screen. Then you can start to add what you want to add. So let's go back to my default screen, which I have all the little fun things that I have on here. Going back to source, because the source is the source of everything. Back to the source, and you see camera, because you see what a blank screen is, which is this blank screen. It will be just totally black without the bells and the whistles that I have here. Camera. Whatever camera you have as your default camera is the camera that will normally come up in the screen. Right now, I'm using my MacBook Pro camera. You can be perfectly fine starting out using a simple camera that is on your MacBook, or whatever Mac device you are actually using. So the camera brings in the different cameras. Now, when you have the camera up, as you can see on the source with the camera, then you can go over to the screen and you will see these controls down here, which will show you different things that you can do with this. It shows your main camera. It will also show any extra cameras that you have. And if you have other things added in as well, it will show right here so that you can click on them. In the camera mode, you can easily click right here on this icon, and that gives you different options of a picture-in-picture as well. Going back to the source, you also have share screen, in which you can share anything that is on your screen. Know when you use this, whatever you have as your default share screen will come up. For example, if it's your Google Chrome, or if it is your desktop right here, then you will see that. Let's click on share screen. Now it comes up exactly what is on my screen. So whatever I decide to pull up, it will show. If I pull up my Spotify, it's going to come up as the share screen. Now let's go back over here to our Ecamm. And let's go to video file. Video file is where you can bring in a variety of videos. As you see right here, I have a lot. Now let's resume the last file that I had. Hey, thank you for joining and watching this tutorial. I know it's a little value to you, so go ahead right here. Scan this right here, and you can sign up for your free trial. No questions asked, just your free trial, and enjoy. You can do what I'm doing and have a ball. Yeah. The screen right here, totally blank. You know what a share screen is, and you know what a video file is and how to bring up a video file. If you want, you can choose a file, and you click choose file. That goes to your default file. For example, in mine, it would be on the Finder, and it would find the video that I could bring in. Going back to my default scene. Hey, thank you for joining and watching this tutorial. I know it's a little value to you, so go ahead right here. Right? Let's stop that. Okay, so when you go back, it begins where you left off if you have that file up. So that gives you the idea. Now you've had a basic understanding, basic 5-minute tutorial on how to use this source. It all starts with a blank screen. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Leave some comments. Let me know if you'd like to see some more videos for basics.